Something you may or may not have noticed on this project are the headlights. There's something that's been bugging me. It's the colour of this headlight. It's a smoked headlight glass. And on this side, on the driver's side, you can see there that it's clear. It turns out that this model originally came with the smoked headlights, and something's happened to this one. Somebody's replaced it with another one with a clear glass. I was struggling to get hold of the smoked headlights for a decent price, but something happened the other day, and it's in this box. I did manage to get hold of another smoked headlight. Problem being though, this is actually a broken headlight. All the brackets there you can see are actually snapped off. It's no good, but it does have the correct headlight glass. So here's the plan. We're going to remove this headlight. We're going to remove the glass, give it a bit of a clean, and hopefully we'll be able to bond this glass onto this unit and have a matched set of headlights. Just using the hot air gun to heat up the sealant between the glass and the body of the headlight, and hopefully this will make it soft enough for me to remove the glass. So there we go, they're the two lenses. There's the original one that was on the vehicle, and that was the one that I got off the broken headlight. And you can actually see that one is definitely smoked and one is clear. When cleaning out reflectors and headlights, make sure you don't use any harsh chemicals or abrasives, because you will actually scratch the finish on the reflector. I'm actually going to use a wet wipe and a microfiber cloth, and that's it. That's all. Making two headlights out of one has actually done the job. I now have a matched pair of spec correct headlights. So I previously removed the dashboard, and one thing that's bugging me, I don't know if you guys can see that there's a plaster on the dashboard, and it's a worrying thought because what is underneath that plaster? I hope I don't have to buy a new dashboard. I'm just going to go ahead and remove it and let's see what's underneath. I've removed the old adhesive where the plaster was, and there's nothing there. So it begs the question, what was this doing here in the first place? Have you ever stuck a plaster to your dashboard? Tell me why. Leave it in the comments. Thanks for tuning in again. We'll see you next time. Cheers!